In this video, we will compare two popular dashcams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam. Both of these devices offer unique features and capabilities that cater to different needs. We will explore their specifications, user reviews, and overall performance to determine which dashcam is the best for you. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo features two cameras, providing a front-facing view and a rear view, which is ideal for standard monitoring of the road ahead and behind. On the other hand, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam offers a comprehensive 4-camera setup that captures footage from the front, rear, and both sides of the vehicle, ensuring complete coverage around the car. This makes the PRUVEEO a better option for those who want to monitor their surroundings in all directions. In terms of video quality, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo stands out with its 2K resolution on the front camera, capturing clearer and more detailed footage. The rear camera records in 1080p, which is still good quality. Conversely, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam records in 1080p across all 4 cameras. While 1080p is sufficient for most users, those who prioritize higher resolution may prefer the VIO. When it comes to user experience, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is praised for its user-friendly app that allows easy configuration and video playback. Users have reported straightforward installation and excellent customer service. In contrast, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam, while providing great video quality, has received mixed reviews regarding its bulkiness and the reliability of its suction cup mount. Some users have noted installation challenges, particularly in larger vehicles. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam offer compelling features at a similar price point. If you prioritize high resolution and ease of use, the VIOFO may be the better choice. However, if comprehensive coverage is essential for your needs, the PRUVEEO provides excellent 360-degree monitoring. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.